fucking arm is getting tired. You gotta switch arms. Got a fucking arm pump from holding the damn camera. Yo, what's up, boys? It's your boy Ben. We're back with another vid. Little vlog ski. It's a rest day. Nothing super crazy going on today, but we are gonna go to the store right now. And a lot of y'all are like, what do you get at the store? What's your grocery haul? So we're gonna run it up. Going to Walmart, and then we're gonna go to Marshall's because my boy Nick, shout out my boy, for my birthday, he got me $50 to Marshall's. And if you don't know about Marshall's, cheapest store ever. They got some crazy pump covers. That's where I get my skinny syrups for my coffee, my 0-calorie creamer type shit, and all of my like coffee K-cups. Marshall's, if you haven't been there yet, go shop at Marshall's. Super cheap, love it. But some of y'all said y'all like the vlog type shit with like the hand on the camera instead of like the tripod in the fucking kitchen. So we're just gonna do this now. I'm very upset, boys. I think my treadmill is broken. See that? I'm pressing speed. It's on 2.3 speed and it's not moving. Like, what the fuck, dude? Not very happy about that. If y'all continue to show the support y'all been showing on the vids, I will make more videos. Y'all are the motivation to make these videos, and I make these videos for you guys. So if you're rocking with them, I'm gonna make more of them. And if you want to boost the algo for me, drop a comment, drop a like right now before the video even starts, because it's gonna be a banger. You guys already know. But yeah, we're going to Walmart and Marshall's, and I'm gonna show y'all what I get. Peace. Someone's weed whacking over there, but this is the fit check, boys.
Choose your character.
I got the Young King tank on with the interlock shorts and some 30-ass Vans. Chewable trim, maybe? It's hot as hell. What are we thinking, boys? Hold up. Looking like a cat in the hat. Always park mad far away, get more steps in. And we went there first instead of Walmart because at Walmart we're gonna get like chicken and shit. And I don't want chicken sitting in my hot ass car while I shop at Marshall's, you know? So now we go Walmart. One tripping is the easy part, alright? But trying to unlock your door with your keys, with the groceries in your hand, that's the hard part. We got the goods though. Alright, let's go through everything we got, boys. From Walmart. Chicken breast tenderloins, because for some reason Walmart just has been out of chicken breast every single time I go. We got peanut butter. Canned green beans. Got the magical brown eggs. We got the celery. Fairlife fat-free milk. This shit is a cheat code. 80 calories, 13 grams of protein. Put it in your coffee. Absolutely flames. Strawberries, y'all know I love my strawberries. That is everything from Walmart. We got at Marshall's. Got a beach blanket because we're gonna go to the beach today. And I always use a towel, but this is a little bit bigger, so cover more surface area. We got a gallon jug for my water. Skinny syrups for my coffee. Vanilla caramel cream. These are 0-cal. And then we got some coffee. We got coconut caramel coffee. Not sure if I'm gonna like this. Just gonna give it a try. While we're here in the kitchen, we are going to prep our 93.7 lean ground beef because why not? We have a big ass pan, so we're just gonna prep all of it at the same time. Start that thing in there. Looks like my shit after a sushi buffet. Whenever I make beef, people are always like, "That's not chicken, bro. I thought you only ate chicken and rice." This is red chicken, bro. I don't think y'all understand. They just call it beef. I don't know why they call it beef. This is just literally red chicken. We gotta hurry up because Nick is coming over and we're going to the beach. Because as you guys know, gym tan, chicken and rice every single day. That's the daily routine. You can't get skin cancer when you go to the gym because the gains that you make in the gym cancel out the effects of the sun. It's like kissing a dude and then saying no homo. Like, it automatically cancels it out, you know? So as long as you're going to the gym, you know, you're not getting skin cancer from the sun. Because whenever I'm at the beach, there's always Karens in my comment section like, "You're getting skin cancer. Why are you giving yourself skin cancer? Why are you giving yourself diabetes from eating McDonald's all the time?" I'm not questioning you. Stop questioning me. Meal prep talks with Ben. While the beef is cooking, we're gonna prep some rice as well. In our small rice cooker, we have 360 grams of raw weight rice, and now I add 3.5 cups of water, and then we put it on the rice cooker. Alright boys, we're about to go to the beach. So we got chicken, zucchini, and avocado. The rice wasn't done, so we're not eating rice. Nick's here. Say what's up, Nick. Have the glasses on, the Versace's. Are they Versace, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's tough, so. We go beach. We at the beach, boys. I got my Addison Rae Alani New. Alright, I'm back at the crib because I have to get on the phone with a client very soon. But we're gonna make iced coffee. I'm gonna show you guys how to make some fire iced coffee. Cup, a little Pepsi cup. Ice. Coffee is from yesterday, but it's not hot. It's like room temperature. Almond milk. Splash of that shit. Sucralose for some sweetness. Sugar. And this is the new one, the vanilla caramel cream. We're gonna try it, see if it's valid. Not a lot, okay? You gotta use a metal straw, save the environment, you feel me? That's how you make low calorie iced coffee. Now we go get on the phone with our client. One-on-one coaching on my website, bensaglambenny.com. Alright boys, it is 3 p.m., which means it's time to eat our third meal of the day. We got on the phone with our client, and then we packed some chicken and rice orders, and then we're gonna head to the post office after this meal. We are gonna do 5 ounces of red chicken, 200 grams of rice. Microwave. Our red chicken is in the microwave. We're gonna try this coconut caramel coffee because why not? I'm kind of excited because I know I'm either gonna hate it or I'm gonna love it, or it's gonna be mid. Who knows? So we'll do a little taste test for you guys. We have our wonderful meal here. We got our red chicken, some rice on there. You already know to go to the teriyaki sauce, the sriracha, crystallized trend, and some garlic. I'm gonna down this real quick and then I'm gonna have the coffee after because I don't want to mix the two together. I feel like that'd be kind of fucking whack. So we'll eat that. Coffee taste test next. It does smell very good, I'm not gonna lie. Almond milk, just a tad, and 1 sweetener. We'll have it just like this, and then if we need to add our skinny syrups, we'll add those. Okay, that's good. Cause like I've had coconut coffees before and they just tasted like too coconutty, but that is like perfect. Like it's not a lot of coconut, you know? We need to get to the post office before they close. Once again, thank you guys for all the orders. I fucking love you guys. Chicken and rice is going to the moon, baby. Peace. We got the chicken breasticles. We're back from the post office, dropped off 2 orders. Now we're here with the white chicken as opposed to the red chicken that we cooked earlier. Now we gotta prep some white chicken. So I'm gonna show y'all how I run that up. Very simple process. Oven is on 350. These are already pre-cut, so we don't really have to cut anything off. First thing you wanna do, obviously, is spray the pan. Basically, you take the chicken, put it on the pan, like so. Then you put it in the oven at 350 degrees. I found that 30 minutes in the oven is perfect. We'll come back when it's cooked, and I'm gonna go cut my grass. Ah, shit. The chicken looking mad juicy. Just cut the grass. Now we got some straws. Chop them things up. They're all prepped, ready to go. A lot of prepping today. It's a rest day, no training. So we just prep all the food. Get that chicken in a container. Put it in the fridge. Good to go. You. Creatine reminder. Don't forget, boys. I know you forgot. I know you did. Go take it right now. Alright, boys. Currently 6 p.m., which means it's time for our next meal. What I've been doing is editing the chicken and rice website. Y'all gotta let me know what you think. So this is the new cover picture. Got me in the black chicken and rice hoodie, teal shorts. And then we got the other hoodies like on the side. But yeah, that's what I've been doing for the past couple hours. Just trying to like perfect that. Now let's eat. This is meal 4. If you guys were curious what my meal schedule is, wake up, eat breakfast around 9 a.m. Second meal around 12 p.m. Third meal 3 p.m. Fourth meal 6 p.m. Fifth meal 9 p.m. So I'm eating every 3 hours. This meal is gonna be 5 ounces of chicken, 100 grams of rice, and then we're doing a can of green beans, and then we microwave. Alright, so we're gonna add 50 grams of avocado as well. Boys, I'm not gonna lie to you, there's been some days where my body just keeps telling me to fucking eat, and it's really not good. Like, it's some eating disorder type shit probably. I think my hormones are just like so fucked, and they just keep telling me to eat. I have all healthy food in my house, so it's not that I'm eating like shit, it's just I'm eating so much of what I have that like there's some days where I'll probably down like 4,000, 5,000 calories, but I just want to be open and honest with you guys, because like there's been some days where I'm just like fucking eating, bro. Because some of y'all might be struggling with the same thing, and most of the time when that is happening, it's because your body is too lean, and it's leaner than it wants to be. Just know that shit is normal, bro. Like, if shit happens, we just move forward from it, you know? Out on a walk. Once again, step count was subpar today, so we gotta get the steps to 10,000. 10K a day keeps the fat away. Yo, you guys knew that. 4 ounces of salmon, 100 grams of rice, 100 grams of zucchini. Final meal of the day. Hope you guys enjoyed another shit show vlog ski, but that's gonna do it for the vid, boys. All my links in the description below. Check them out. Like the vid, okay? We gotta get more likes. Subscribe, all that. Peace out.